Hello, my dear students. Today I'm available with a new topic. As we have discussed earlier about the major domains of the earth, during the discussion, we have seen that there is mainly three domains of the earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere. So, in this session, we are going to read all these domains one by one. So today we will be discussing about lithosphere, very important domains of the earth, and we will be discussing about the topic lithosphere. So lithosphere. So what is lithosphere? In simple words, we can say that lithosphere is the solid crust of the earth or hard top layer of the earth. This is the simple definition of lithospheres. But in this lecture series, we will discuss some more concept regarding lithospheres. So here it is. Lithosphere. Lithosphere is the solid crust or hard top layer of the earth. Top layer of the earth. You can see here lithosphere is the solid crust or hard top layer of the earth. So by this definition, it is obvious that we exist on the lithosphere, human beings and all the organisms exist on the lithospheres. Second definition, or we can say that the second characteristic of lithosphere. So lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals. As we know that minerals are found in the crust, that is a part of lithosphere. So made up of rocks and minerals. Third characteristic of lithosphere is, as we know that lithospheres or the landforms, the surface of landforms is not regular everywhere. It is irregular in character. Somewhere we found mountains, somewhere we found plateaus, plains, oceans, hills, valleys. So these are the characteristic of landforms or lithospheres. So the lithosphere is irregular surface. Irregular surface with different landforms. As we have discussed about the different landforms, such as mountains, plateaus, plains, valleys, etc. So these are the important landforms of the lithosphere. The next and important characteristic of lithosphere is it is the important domains of earth, as we are talking about lithosphere, so it is important domains of earth, as it provides land for agriculture, forest area. We found forest area on the lithosphere, on the crust of the earth. Forest area, grassland for grazing the animals, grass land, and the very important thing, that we human beings comfortably settles on the lithosphere. So human settlements, and the major source of mineral wealth, such as coal, aluminium, copper, petroleum. These are the minerals which we found on the lithosphere. Important source of mineral wealth. So you can say that these are the major characteristic of lithospheres. As we know that there are three important or major domains of the environment, and we are discussing one by one. So lithosphere is completed. In the next video lecture series, we will study about uh, another domains, that is hydrosphere. So thank you everyone. Have a nice day.